Okay, everybody, Mr. Stewart here, and today we are going to take a look at creating our model train drawing package. We're going to start with the cover page. This video is going to be specifically for that, and then we're going to go on from there. This is what you want to end up with the exception, of course, is down here where it says first and last name. That'll be your first name and your last name. You'll have star point CSD, DDP, period number, and then where the question mark is, whatever the period is that you are doing the class. Uh, Miniature train project. And of course, because this is our sheet set, all this good stuff down here in the title block has been filled in. So I'm going to go to my parts here and my blank. And the first thing I need to do is I need to input this. This is a scale model. It's a scale of 1 to 1. So down here in our title block, we're not going to have to change anything because it's scale 1 to 1. Anyways, so we're going to insert the picture. So I'm going to go to the word base and I will find my assembly. By the way, if there's a lot of stuff on here, you can filter these out by just doing that, and that will show me my assemblies. Oh, I'm in the wrong spot. Sorry about that. I gotta go to my G drive. Oops, my drive. Here we go. And now miniature train. Yeah, there it is. Train assembly. And I hit open. So sometimes it takes a little bit to find things. Make sure you put this at an isometric angle. And up here where it says scale 1 to 2, I'm going to change that to a scale of 1 to 1. And while it's active, I'm just going to move this off into the left-hand side. And I want to also make sure that I turn on the word shaded. So that's going to look the most lifelike. It's going to look just like this when I say OK, which is what I'm going to do right now. So that is the first part of this. The next part is I have to put in this text, your first and last name, star point CSD, DDP, period, number, whatever number period it is that you take in the class, and then miniature train project. So back to my sample sheet. Okay, here we go. This is going to be annotate, and it's going to be text. And I'm just going to click down here, and now this box is going to come up, and I'm going to change the text height. The text height from 0.12, I'm going to click the down arrow here to 0.24. Okay. Now the first thing I want to put in is my name, and that is Mr. Stewart. Oops, oh, I forgot my caps lock is on. You want to do all your documentation with caps lock on. Okay, yeah, here we go. Here we are. And I'll say, okay. Now the next thing that I got to have on here is start point CSD. So back to, whoops, just double click on this to reactivate it. Enter and start point. CSD. First name, which is DDP. Well, I'll say okay. I have a bad memory here. DDP dash period number, whatever it is. Okay. DDP uh, dash period number space. Number. Oh, that is it. Period number. I'm just going to say period number 1 for the sake of doing that. And model train. For some reason that didn't change height wise, so I'll just highlight that and change it to 0.24 also. Now I'm going to center justify this, and then I'm going to say OK. So that creates the title page for your project.